it's Mary Catherine Carlisle from Season 2 of Worst Bakers in America.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Chris Scott from Worst Bakers in America Season 2, and you are watching Cooking with Frankie Meatball.
Today's going to be a rockin' kitchen because we are going to rock you. Rock you. Gonna rock you. We're going to rock you. Hey guys, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget, we're on Snapchat, we're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, and of course we're on YouTube. Email me your address. I want everybody to have a Frankie Meatball sticker. Guys, again, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Until next week, this is Big Daddy Frank, Frankie Meatball saying, we'll see you later. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.